Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Corolla engine oil the easy way. First, let's gather everything you'll need. You'll want a 14mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have about 4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Safety is key, so use jack stands and a floor jack, and don't forget your safety glasses and gloves. Once your car is safely elevated on jack stands, it's time to drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your 14mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old oil to completely drain out into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After the oil has fully drained, reinstall the drain plug with a new washer and tighten it firmly. Next, remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about 1/4 of a turn more. Now, add the new engine oil through the filler cap. With the new oil added, replace the filler cap and carefully lower your Corolla. Start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Then, turn off the engine and wait for 5 minutes, allowing the oil to settle. Finally, check the oil level using the dipstick, ensuring it's between the low and full marks. Also, visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.